Hey guys, it's Sarah with AmericanTrucks.com, and today we have a review and install of the Husky rear wheel well guards in black, fitting your 15 and newer F150s, excluding the Raptor. These are perfect for the F150 owner who wants to add some protection to their truck and clean up the look of their rear wheel wells and wants a budget-friendly and durable option. These wheel well guards add some protection to the exposed underbody of your truck and cover that gap between the frame and the body that is especially apparent on lifted trucks. The durable black thermoplastic construction makes these liners impact resistant as well as easy to clean, and they add a finished look to the rear of your truck. So as far as price goes, this one comes in at around $150, putting it on the lower end price-wise when compared to other options. And for your money, you're getting a tough and sleek option with a very easy install. So speaking of the install, it really doesn't get any easier than this. I'm giving it a very easy 1 out of 3 wrenches. You only need a Phillips head screwdriver and it can be done within 30 minutes. So with that said, let's jump into our install. For this install, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Alright, so the first step in our install is to grab these metal clips and install them over top of the mounting points. The first 2 mounting points are easy to see. They're right at the side of the bed here. So slide the clip over the opening and line up the hole in the clip so that you can get a bolt through it. The next 2 clips install at the back of the rear wheel well right here. We're gonna go in through the back side of the sheet metal, so right up and through the back of the bed. And we're just gonna tuck it on the side here in place. All right, now to the front of the wheel well, there's the same situation. There's a hole and you're gonna go through the back side of this hole and tuck it on the sheet metal, the same as the one we just did. All right, at this point we can tuck in the wheel well liner itself. We're starting on the driver's side and it should be labeled with a DS on top to indicate that it is the driver's side. We're gonna tuck it over top of the wheel. This may be difficult, especially if you have larger aftermarket wheels. Once it's over top of the wheel, we're gonna tuck it up. It may take a little maneuvering to get it in place. All right, now we're gonna take the included screws, line them up with the clip nuts that we installed, and with a Phillips head screwdriver, tighten them down. Now repeat that with the holes at the front and back of your wheel well liner. Keep in mind, depending on your tire size, you may need a shorter screwdriver. All right, so that is gonna do it for the review and install of these rear wheel well guards. And remember, for all things Ford, keep it at AmericanTrucks.com.